How to change settings in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon and here tap on Manage Account. So basically this is the settings interface. Here you can find different options and even customize it. Here there are different ways through which you can edit your profile and make different changes in the account. Here you can select the settings and easily customize it. Here on the left top you can find this tree line icon. Simply tap on it. There are other options and settings that you can customize inside the account. At last you can easily save it and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.